Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a food haul. I know, get excited. I went to Tesco today and I picked up a few goodies. You know, a lot of this stuff I've been shown on my channel before because I really wanted to try to get stuff that I hadn't tried before. Now that I'm looking at the bag, I realize I've tried most of this stuff before, but you know what? It's fine. I'm just gonna show you what I got anyway. So without further ado, let's just get into this. Okay guys, I'm gonna start off with the most basic of items that every vegan would have in their fridge. It's almond milk. Now, on a side note, can I just say I really love the packaging of, well, the new rebranded packaging on the Alpro ones. I'm obsessed. I love it. Well done, Alpro. I love the new packaging. It's so much more simple. It's straight to the point. You know exactly what it is. There's no messing around. You know, they look great. But I got the almond one. I also got some strawberries because I love strawberries. Like, strawberries are like my favorite fruit. Yeah, strawberries are my favorite fruit. If I had to choose one fruit to only eat for the rest of my life, it would be strawberries. I just love them. Another basic item I got is coffee. This is my favorite type of instant coffee. It's the Nescafe Azera Americano. It's delicious. It's really nice. It's just, oh, it's perfect. Because I remember for like the past 2 weeks I had to live off or suffer from drinking the, like, you know, normal instant coffee, like, you know, where it's like the kind of, what are they, like grounds, like the, you know, what's in the glass jar. Not very nice. Then when I got this, I don't mind paying the €6 for it because honestly it's so worth it. Like, it just tastes so good. You know, I still prefer like the coffee in like the coffee shop obviously, but like this is a really good home alternative. Yeah. Okay, I also got, this is like the frozen kind of items, in case you're wondering. I got these kale and quinoa burgers. They're from the Strong Roots company. These are bomb. These are amazing. I've had these before plenty of times. I used to get them all the time actually, but then for some reason I stopped. Don't know why, but I did. Yeah, I love them. They're simple burgers. They don't taste like burgers. They don't taste like meat burgers. Not trying to be meat burgers. They're just kale and quinoa burgers, and they're just so tasty. They're good on their own. They're good with hummus. They're good in a burger, like with bun and cheese and all the fixings. They're good on that. Yeah, I love them. I love just snacking on these. Nice to just have in the freezer for, you know, if you're ever in a rush and you need a quick, well, I mean, it takes 25 minutes to cook them, but you know, if you just don't want to have to think about food, you know, you just try these on and you're good to go. Also from the same company, I got these spinach bites. I am obsessed. Like, these are amazing. Like, when I put these on, like, Dean, if he's walking through the kitchen, he'll just grab one and he'll come back and grab another one. Same with Mom. These are delicious. Like, you know, if vegan or not, you're gonna love these. Okay, now this is a new item for me. This is from the Squeaky Bean company, and it's 100% dirty vegan, so you know. This is no chicken, no cry, get dip in, cooked in a crispy coating. Nuggets are tasty night in. I love like the text all on the front of it. Nuggets, 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 coated with crispy cornflakes. Squeaky Bean is dedicated to everyone looking for plant-based foods who has ever stood in the supermarket. Supermarket and thought, how boring. Yeah, I'm excited to try these, not going to lie. Yeah, I'm excited to try these. Squeaky Bean vegan nuggets. I'm excited. Okay, then I got this granola. It's 100% vegan. It's WK, don't know what that is. Kellogg's, no added sugar granola. It's cocoa and hazelnut. I've tried this just there like about maybe 20 minutes ago. It's really nice. It's not sweet at all. So if you like sweet granola, this is not for you. But like if you, I don't like the healthy type of granola, you'll like this. I mean, it still like tastes like chocolate and like hazelnut, and I love hazelnut, so I mean I was down to try this. So yeah, love this. Whilst we're on the topic of granola, I also got these granola bars because I don't know if you know this, but I started a new job and it's going amazing, and I just thought, you know, this would be nice just to have a snack, you know, because it's an hour away and an hour back, so you know I have to, like, if I'm hungry on the way home or if I get hungry in work, you know, I can just nibble on these. And I'm excited. They're from the Made Good company. They're mixed berry granola bars. Yeah, these actually, I had one of these coming home today actually because I couldn't wait the extra 20 minutes to get in the door and have them. No, I had to have them in the car. I had 2 of them actually because the first one was so tasty that I had to have another one. So if that doesn't tell you that they're good, I don't know what will. Okay, next items I'm really excited about. Now, I've seen these on this Instagram page called Accidentally Vegan. I'll have them linked below, whatever. They, you know, post up some cool stuff about new products that are coming into stores that are vegan. Also, they kind of show products that are accidentally vegan, you know, because that's their Instagram handles. Obviously you're going to have to, like, you know, do that kind of stuff as well. But these are from the Nescafe brand as well. These are instant coffees, you know, like how you have them instant coffees like cappuccinos and stuff like that. This is basically them but just a vegan version, and there's 3 different types actually. There's oat milk one, coconut milk one, and an almond milk one, and I got the coconut milk and the almond milk because I love a coconut milk latte. Like, from Costa, it's like my favorite thing ever. I love it. Trust me, like, you have to try it. It's so bomb. But these are the Nescafe coconut latte and the Nescafe almond latte, and I've tried the coconut one now. Just to let you know, it doesn't look like the picture when you make it. I was very disappointed by this because I was hoping to get like a cute little picture with it, but like no, it does not look like that. It just looks like milky coffee with like a few bubbles on top. Not even exaggerating. So Nescafe, if you wanna, you know, improve that, you know, I don't mind paying the €4 then. But it comes with 6 sachets, whatever you wanna call them, each, so that's 6 drinks. You know, you're sorted for the week. Okay, now don't judge me. I did open these because I love these cookies so much that I couldn't wait. I couldn't wait just to like wait till I filmed the video and then eat them. No, I had to have a few, you know, just to tie me over for a bit. Now, they don't actually look like the image because I think they've changed the cookies, to be honest, because they were nicer before last time I got them. This time, they're just not as nice. Like, they're like thinner or something, which is really weird because on the package, if you notice, they're like, I don't know, they're not that big looking because they used to be smaller. These are like more spread out, but they're harder as well. Like, the other ones used to just crumble like in your mouth and they're just like amazing, and they had like kind of a nutty taste, which I really liked, but these ones don't really. So Tesco, revert back to your original recipe because I like that one more. Okay, I also got these sweet potato tortilla chips. These are, I haven't had these before. I'm really excited to try them. They're good to know, gluten-free, no artificial flavors, no other colors or preservatives. I'm just excited to try them. I didn't even check the ingredients to see if these were vegan. Let me see. Yeah, we're good. We're good. They're vegan. That's good. And finally, last but certainly not least, we got these croissants. These are the Just Roll croissants, freshly baked in minutes. So you literally just, you know, roll it out. No, you don't even have to roll it out. You just cut it into triangles. Yeah, put them into the oven and they're done, and you have like beautiful homemade croissants at home, and you don't have to go to like a bakery or whatever to get them. You have them at home, and I'm excited about this. Okay guys, that's everything that I got in Tesco. Now I do want to tell you a little funny story because this is my second time trying to buy items for this food haul, because the first time I was on my way back from Galway and I had lost my card, my card in Galway, but I had Apple Pay, so like, you know, I bought stuff from Top Man that well exceeded like the amount I'd spent on a food shop, and it went through fine. Then I got into town and I went to Tesco and I got all my stuff in my bag. I actually had more that time. No, actually I had less that time, but nevertheless I went to the till and they wouldn't, like, the Apple Pay wouldn't work. And then she said there was nothing she could do, even though like if she took my card number she could make me sign something and take the payment that way, but she didn't, so I had to leave Tesco so embarrassingly empty-handed. She took my bag off me, it was really humiliating, but nevertheless I got my stuff and I filmed my video and I'm very happy with it. But anyway guys, that's it from me. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know all your thoughts down below as always, and yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye now. So before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I will see you guys in the next one. So until then, bye.